Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Windows Spotlight images or pictures as background wallpaper on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select the personalization tile. On the left side, you want to select where it says background. And then on the right side where it says background, click the drop down and select Windows Spotlight. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.